2018 Chevy Silverado Z71. The last really nice body style before they went to that upside down face from Family Guy look. Anyways, what it's got on, it's still got the stock converters there and there. Then he had it done somewhere else, the duals, but it was too loud because it had a Flowmaster Flow FX by Flowmaster. It was a little bit too loud for him. He brought it here and we put a 22-inch MAGNAFLOW body, 3-inch to 2 1/4 muffler, and he's got 2 1/4 tailpipes into 4-inch tips right there. Double wall stainless steel. So we'll let you guys hear it and see what you guys think of it. It's really nice and deep. What do you think? You like it? The key is on the freeway. See if it takes the drone away. If it's still too loud after that, we have a resonator we can put in front of it. That you'll still get sound, but it takes a lot of the drone out inside. And this one came with the third cat too, but the drone was too loud with the FX series. I think I want it a little bit quieter. Let you guys hear on the.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know